BusyBee.
Hello, little friends. Today, we will learn about farm animals. They live on the farm and make fun sounds. Let's meet them together. This is a cow. Can you say cow? Cow. The cow says, moo, moo. Let's say it together. Moo, moo. Cow. This is a chicken. Can you say chicken? Chicken. The chicken says cluck, cluck. Let's say it. Cluck, cluck. Chicken. This is a sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep. The sheep says ba, ba. Let's say it together. Ba, ba. Sheep. This is a pig. Can you say pig? Pig. The pig says oink, oink. Can you oink like a pig says? Oink, oink. Pig. This is a duck. Can you say duck? Duck. The duck says quack, quack. Can you quack too? Quack, quack. A duck. Now, let's play a little game. Can you guess the animal by its shape or sound? It's soft and white. Says ba, ba. Who could it be? A sheep. Great job. It's pink. Loves mud. Says oink, oink. What is it? That's right. A pig. It swims and says quack, quack. Do you know it? A duck! Perfect! It's big, has spots, and says moo. What is it? Yes, a cow. It has feathers and lays eggs. It says cluck, cluck. What's your guess? Yes, a chicken. Let's say them one more time. Cow, moo. Pig, oink. Sheep, ba. Chicken, cluck. Duck, quack. Great job, my friend. You learned your first farm animals. See you next time on BusyBee Kids.
BusyBee.